Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review, I want to talk to you about RewardBanx. Now this is a product by Venkata, Romana, and it's due to be released on June the 1st at 11 AM Eastern. Now we are going to jump inside. I'll show you around the site and then we'll come back to the sales page. I'll talk to you a little bit more about the sales page. There's some information on here you really need to know before you decide to purchase any kind of products off these vendors. As usual guys, this is all completely done for you. 1, 2, 3 clicks, lots of money per day, the usual stuff you get off here, and we're going to discuss this tactic in more detail during this review. So guys, if you haven't been over to my channel before, my name is Richard Darby. This is School of Nomads. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell if you're interested in hearing these types of honest reviews. And guys, if you're really serious and you're looking for a way to make money online with affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out our free affiliate bootcamp. You'll see the link in the description below. Over to the School of Nomads and we'll get you started straight away. So guys, I will come back to the sales page. Let's go over to the actual site itself. Now what you have here is VIP training, which is actually a 1 6-minute video. They are promising more in this training. This is only the JV access, so I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. There is going to be added more, but basically this training is very, very short. Then you need to be able to connect up your website. So you need to add a website to this site. So you need your own website in the first place to make this work. They do state in the video that they will provide a website, but I haven't seen anywhere on here they'll do that. And basically you add a website here. If you haven't got your own website, they're offering you a link over to Bluehost here, which is an affiliate link where they'll make money when you sign up and build your own website with this. Once you've got your website, then asking you to join this affiliate program, which is for a company called Market Boost. Now Market Boost is a company that provides vacation type incentives to companies. So basically they can sign up for Market Boost and they can offer their own customers various types of vacation incentives. But this has got quite an interesting affiliate program where if you get people to sign up as affiliates as well, you get more and more benefits from this Market Boost. So basically what they're doing, this is an affiliate ID as well. If I just come down here, you can see that that is an affiliate ID from Venkata himself. Basically, he's trying to just recruit more and more affiliates over to this Market Boost. And once you're an affiliate, if you do make a sale, he gets a part of that commission and he can make more money. If you just come over to Market Boost, I'll leave a link to this below. You can just join this directly if you want to. You can earn lots of commissions from people basically signing up, and you can earn holidays and cars and all sorts of stuff. Now, Market Boost itself is a credible company as far as I can see. Seems to work with lots of other big companies, but basically the whole point of this product is to get you to be an affiliate for Market Boost. That's about it. So you can come along and you can join that if you want to. Now, as far as the website goes, what you're actually doing is you're building a website with YouTube videos. Now, the idea is that you're going to go ahead and take other people's YouTube videos. If I just scroll through the training itself, because I can't see an example of this website anywhere, you're going to make a website that looks like this. So basically it's full of these different types of YouTube videos, and then from the affiliate sign up you can have a code that you can put in to these various parts of this website, and then people can track if they go along and they use that Market Boost. Now the idea is here, he's actually advocating that you go ahead and just steal, and I'm going to say the word steal, somebody else's video from YouTube and then just start doctoring all of the description etc to put your own affiliate links in. That's their plan for your long-term business, is you just steal other people's work. Now guys, if you're serious about online marketing, this is going to be a very, very short-term plan, because people will catch up with you if you start doing this. You are allowed to share YouTube videos online, absolutely. What you're not allowed to do is then start trying to monetize them and taking off their own links and adjusting their descriptions. All of that is against YouTube's terms and conditions. But if you don't care about that, then nothing I'm going to say is going to stop you. This is basically what you're doing. You're stealing other people's work to try and build a website with them. Once you have done that and you've built your great website with other people's YouTube videos, you need to get traffic. The whole point of having a website is getting people to visit it. Now, the only way you'll do that is by sharing the link. They've got some great share buttons over to Facebook and Twitter. As you know, if you've heard my reviews before, if you've got any type of social media traffic, you need to have an audience on social media or you're not going to be able to get traffic. That's pretty obvious. So that's not traffic. And then what they do is they actually tell you that there is a way to advertise this, and they have their own product that they want you to register for. So you're going to register for something called a Spark app, and then you come over to the Spark Academy, and basically this is all about Pinterest. So you can go ahead and put pins on Pinterest, People are going to click on them pins, come over to your website, click on your website, go over to that site, join that site, take up one of the offers on that site, and you're going to make money. That's apparently what's going to happen here. I don't think you're going to get any traffic. Pinterest is not something you can just go ahead and copy pins. It's like any of these social media sites. It takes a long time to establish. You do get traffic from Pinterest. I use Pinterest myself, but you need to spend a lot of time establishing your account and making pins that people want to go ahead and see. And because of the way the account works, it's not easy to get people to click on your various links. So that, again, it's up to you guys. I just think this is pretty flawed in their traffic portion here. I don't think you're going to get anybody over to your particular site. So that's basically what this is, guys. A site where you take other people's YouTube videos, you put them on a website, which you need to have yourself, hosted yourself. You might as well just go ahead and do this yourself completely. You don't need to have this product at all. Just go straight over to this Market Boost. I'll leave the link below if you're interested in going ahead and being an affiliate for Market Boost. Skip this product completely, and that's all it's offering you. I don't think it's going to be anything worthwhile. Now, when I go back to the sales page, there is some interesting things on this sales page you need to be aware of. If you scroll down the sales page, you're going to see the usual types of testimonials. Now, if you've been onto my reviews before, you'll know that I focus in on these testimonials because it's against Warrior Plus's terms of service to have fake testimonials on a sales page. Not that they actually check, but that's the situation. It's against their terms of service. I come down to these testimonials. I take a look at these 3 testimonials. For a start, these guys change their names every time I see them. But if I go to another product called Mobile Moolah, we have Catherine here, Sean here, and Edwin B here. These guys have got no idea they're on this sales page, if they even exist. And then basically, if you look at these testimonials, $354.09 US when I've first heard of RewardBanx, and then this one is $354.09 US, and this one when I first heard of Mobile Moolah. Basically, they've just copied across that and that. Then you go towards this one here, 38943. Come down here, 38943, and so on, guys. These are all completely fake testimonials, and I would advise you not to buy anything at all off these vendors. If they're willing to do this to you and just completely lie about the results, clearly there's no value in this product whatsoever. Based on that, I'm going to give this 0 out of 10. I think it's a terrible product, terrible way of actually selling to people when you're faking things. I'm not going to give you the OTOs. I will leave them in the description below if you want to go ahead and see that. But I would tell you not to buy RewardBanx. Keep away from these vendors because I don't think they've got your best interests at heart. So guys, hope you find that valuable. My name is Richard Darby. This is School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before and you want to hear these types of honest reviews, go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're really serious and you want to build a business online using affiliate marketing, don't forget our free affiliate bootcamp. You see the link in the description below. Over to the School of Nomads and we'll get you started straight away. Until next time, guys, take care.